who knew that with freezing temperatures you can get rain, sleet, and ice?
Yeah, I mean, it's amazing. The temperatures at the surface, they're not going to change a whole lot. They're going to be around 20, 22 degrees as the snow is coming down, and then it's going to change over to sleet and maybe change over to freezing rain. And by freezing rain, that is the worst thing we can get because it sticks to everything. So how can we get all those different forms of precipitation when the temperatures at the surface remain the same? It has nothing to do with the surface temperatures. There's cold air everywhere, and where you have enough cold air from top to bottom, meaning from the clouds all the way down to the surface, you get snow. That's what we're going to see for the first part of this storm. But notice this area right here. This is the warmer air, and that warmer air is just pushing across our area. Now, warmer air goes up and over colder air. So you have cold air at the surface and warm air aloft. This is how you get sleet. You've got the snow coming down from the cloud. It melts, becomes rain, and then moves back into the colder air. As it gets into the colder air, it freezes again, becomes little ice pellets. Remember, that's rain, freezing, so you have ice pellets. Those ice pellets come down and they bounce off of everything. They cause some problems, but not nearly as bad as freezing rain. Freezing rain is a lot different. You've got so much warm air between the clouds and the surface that freezing rain or that rain continues to fall. It cannot refreeze until it hits the surface. That's where your freezing rain comes. And of course, where you have warm air everywhere, that's where you get plain rain. So this is what happens. It's all about how warm air aloft moves in.